Picture this, every dollar you borrow, be it a credit card swipe or home mortgage, would cost you 1,000 more. Just because of a credit score? It sounds crazy, but it's true. A better credit score can unlock the best credit cards, lowest interest rate, and even free travel perks. Today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to improve your credit scores fast. In the next few minutes, you will learn tips the bank don't advertise, common credit myths debunked, and complete game plan to push your score into the sky. Stick around because your financial future is counting on your credit score is your financial report card. Lenders, landlords, even employers check it. Low credit score, it can cost you hundred, even thousands in extra interest. For example, experience says you need around 760 plus scores for the best mortgage rates. At 620, you might pay nearly 8% interest. At 760 or higher, closer to 7%. That difference could be tens of thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. And it's not just mortgage. Higher scores means cheaper car loans, better insurance, and premium reward card. That's good, but not great. You're here because you want more than good. You want excellent. Maybe your credit score is just average. Maybe it's bad, but it doesn't matter. You can fix it. Nearly 1 in 4 Americans now have an credit score of 800 and plus. And I will show you exactly how to join them. What affects your credit score? Before you fix your score, you have got to understand what builds it. Here's a breakdown of your FICO score. Number 1, payment history 35%. Do you pay your bills on time? Every late payment drags you down. Second, credit utilization 30%. That's the percentage of credit scores you are using. Lower is better. Under 30% is good. Under 10 is golden. Third, length of the credit history 15%. Older account is equal to better track report. Don't close them. Fourth, credit mix 10%. Having both revolving credit means card and installment loans like car loans helps, but do not force it. New credit 10%. Too many applications at once, bad sign to lenders. Space them out. So 30 plus 35 is equal to 65%. That means payment history and utilization are two big pillars. Focus there first. And one quick warning. A simple missed payment can haunt your report for 7 years. We will fix that later, but first let's kill the bad habit destroying your score. Mistakes that lower your credit score. Number 1, missing payment. Even once Experian confirms one missed payment can stay on your report up to 7 years. Set autopay, set reminders, do whatever it takes. Number 2, high utilization. If you're using over 30% of your total limit, that's red flag. Keep it under 10% for the best results. Number 3, too many new applications. Every time you apply for a card, that's a hard inquiry. It can shave off a few points. If you're buying a house or car soon, wait to apply for new credit until after. Number 4, closing old accounts. By mistake, it shortens your credit score and reduces your available credit. Both bad. If it's no fee card, leave it open and use it once in a while. Number 5, credit report errors. About in 1 or 4 reports have the mistake wrong accounts, duplicates, or false late payments. Check your report at annualcredit.com. It's free. Dispute anything incorrect immediately. And finally, the myth of carrying a balance not paying interest doesn't help your score. Always pay your card in full every month. Avoid these traps and you will stop losing points. Now let's go to the fun part, how to boost your score fast. Step-by-step plan to increase your credit score fast. Number 1, become an authorized user. Ask your spouse or trusted friend with great credit score to add you as authorized user. Their positive history boosts your file instantly, sometimes by 30 points or more. Number 2, get a secured credit card. If you're rebuilding, grab a secured card like from Capital One or Discover for credit limit increases. After 6 months of on-time payment, call your card issuer. Higher limit means lower utilization, which means higher scores. Dispute errors. If there was a wrong late payment or duplicate account, dispute it. Fixing one error can raise your score instantly. Space out application. Don't apply for multiple cards in a short time. Wait 3 to 6 months between each new credit line. And one pro move: use extra cash, bonuses, refunds to pay off credit card debt first. It's the fastest way to cut utilization and rise your score. Secrets banks don't tell you. Now let's talk about the hacks the banks never advertise. First, Experience Boost. Link your utility and phone bills. Get credit for on payment, fast, free, and it can rise your score overnight. Second, credit builder loans. Small loans from credit union or apps like Self, they lock your funds. You make small payments and boom, on time history. Third, negotiate old debits. If you have got collections, call and ask for for delete. Many collectors will remove the negative mark once you settle. Ask for grace period. If you miss a payment by a few days, call the lender. Many offer one-time forgiveness before reporting it. And the biggest secrets: bank don't want you to carry a balance because that's how they profit. Don't fall for it. Pay in full, beat them at their own game. Real life examples and myths busted. Myth number one: closing old cards help your score. Nope. It actually hurts it. Shorter history, higher utilization, lower scores. Myth number two: checking your score lowers it. Nope. Checking your own score is a soft pull, totally safe. Myth number three: only credit cards matter. Wrong. Car loans, student loans, even small personal loans help diversify your credit mix. Example: Jane had a 650 score. She financed a car, paid perfectly for 2 years, and now she's at 750 plus score. Myth number four: carrying debt helps. False. Pay off bills completely. Interest does not build your score, it builds their profit. And one real example: someone I know became an authorized user on a parent's 15 years old account. Her score jumped nearly 40 points in 2 months. That's the power of smart strategy. Tools and app to track your progress. You don't have to do this blind. Here's what to use: annualcreditreport.com for free full reports from all three bureaus. Credit Karma for free score tracking and alerts. Your banking app. Many now show your FICO score for free. Mint or Truebill to manage bills and remind. Experience Boost. Seriously, try it. It works fast. Self or Credit Strong. Credit builder loans app that report payments monthly. Check your score weekly. Watch what happens as your habit improve. It's motivating as hell. Long-term habits for an 800 plus score. Now the secret sauce to staying at 800 plus long-term is: first, always pay on time, no exceptions. Second, keep the utilization under 10%. Third, never close old no fee accounts. Fourth, live below your means. Fifth, check your reports regularly. Sixth, be patient. Great credit is built over time. It's consistency that wins here, not tricks. Stick to these habits and your credit will not just recover, it will skyrocket. Conclusion. Alright, let's recap. Focus on payment history and low balances. Second, avoid mistakes like late payment, closing old cards, and over applying. Third, use every tool you can. Experience Boost, credit builder loans, free reports. And all above, be consistent. Remember, 23% of Americans already have an 800 plus score. So if they can do it, you can also do it. Now go out there and fix your credit and unlock these financial doors. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more fast financial tips, and drop a comment. What's your best credit building hack?